welcome to DIY by Z. Today we are going to figure out what's going on with this dishwasher. Here, when I press the power button, it doesn't turn on, and so I'm going to check the power supply, see if there's power coming into the dishwasher itself. So instead of using a voltmeter to check the outlet, I'm gonna use the voltage tester instead for a quick and easy test. I'll set this to 12 to 1000 volt range and see what we got. Oh, okay, we got power. This one doesn't have, because this is for the sink aerator, waste disposer. So that's meant to be off because it has a switch above the sink. There's a current flowing through that cable to the dishwasher. I'm gonna have to unplug it and see what's going on in the dishwasher. In order to bring this dishwasher out, I need to open this here, and then there should be a couple of screws inside here. There's one right here and another one over there that needs to be loosened up. You can pull this one out very slowly. One thing I noticed here, this one is loose. I'm hoping this connection here just came off, so I'm gonna pull this one out and see. Alright, I found the problem here. This one got burned up right there. So this could have been loose connection and it started to burn up. I'm gonna have to fix this wire here and reconnect it again. I plugged in the dishwasher turned on already, so there's now power on. Now I'm gonna put the screws to hold this dishwasher under the sink, and also the plate at the bottom. Test this one out. I'm gonna put this cup. Oh, this one has already soaked from the previous load, and it ended. Look inside. There's no visible water inside, so it can sit there. So it's nice and clean. It's nice and dry down there. There's no water pooling. The soap housing is nice and dry.